Welcome to a new day and a new generation of Massey Ferguson subcompact tractors. Today we're here with the GC1723E. This is our first new EM series GC that has come from Massey Ferguson. This one actually just arrived from the new Savannah Assembly Center down in Savannah, Georgia. AGCO is investing to grow the Massey Ferguson brand. It's growing. We need more capacity, and they've got a new assembly center that has just come online from Savannah, Georgia. So it's kind of neat to have the first GC and the first one from our new assembly center. We're going to take a look at some of the new changes, new features. This one here is a 22.5 engine horsepower, 18.7 on the PTO. When you're looking for a subcompactor, any tractor, the engine horsepower is bare engine horsepower on a test stand. PTO horsepower, it can actually be rated by dealer off of the PTO shaft. And actually, PTO horsepower shows what the tractor can do. Engine horsepower is great to look at and get in the same size range, but you need to be looking at the PTO horsepower and what it can generate. And we're getting ready to go over this new GC series from Massey Ferguson and show you what it's all about. There's some exciting new changes, some exciting new features for the next generation of Massey Ferguson subcompact tractors. And we've got one here, tractor only, with a mid-mount mower, to show you if you don't need a loader, we've got a tractor for you. Take a first look. We're going to look at the front end here. Look at that big, heavy, beefy front axle. Reliability starts at Massey Ferguson. We've got the new, what we call the global style hood, like our Ford Global Series tractors that we've had. You got the new aggressive styling look, the new headlights. That's where it all starts, but that's not where it ends. One of the new things you'll see is the new flat deck. And you can see here, this is the 1723E with the new floor mat. You got front to rear hydrostat pedals, forward and reverse, hand throttle. This is cruise control. That's your brake, your parking brake right here, and that's differential lock right there. Differential lock allows to lock in both back wheels. If you're going straight through a mud hole, it'll allow you to help reduce getting stuck. What are some new things? We've got a new, totally new styling on the back end, man. This is some awesome looking styling. We're going to look at the front first. It's more concave now. It's got some nice new aesthetic pleasing look to the front. This is your mid-mower deck gauge. That is not inches, that's just a reference guide. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your flow control on your 3-point. If you have an implement on the 3-point that wants to drop real fast, you can restrict the flow to slow it down to make it nice and smooth, or you can even lock it. Your 4-wheel drive engagement is right here now. New convenient location, simple, easy. 3-point raise and lower. This is your 2-range hydrostat. You have neutral position and you have a high range and a low range. This is a synchronized hydrostat. What does synchronized hydrostat means? It means you don't have a clutch pedal. There's different hydrostats, and you watch our hydrostat video and you'll learn more about it. This hydrostat, you only need to come to a stop to shift between high range and low range. What do we have here? We've got a new storage box for you on the right hand side. On the 1723E, since this is the E is going to be our basic model, there's only 2 models. There's a 1723E that is going to be the basic. The GC1725M is going to have a few more features to it. And when we get that, we'll get video of it. But the new glove box in the 25M would have a power port here. It's an optional accessory on the 23E. Your dealer can install that for you. But you got a place to put your cell phone, put a couple of pair of pliers or anything you need there, a couple quick clips. Got your flip down seat, and it's a new seat styling. Got that nice Massey Ferguson triple triangle there. We'll jump around here. You've got some new aesthetics back here. A little deeper cup holder I can see there. This is where your PTO happens. The 2000 PTO is your mid PTO for your mid-mount mower. You have a neutral position and a in-gear position on both the 2000 and 540. What that allows you to do is when you have it in neutral position, you can actually turn the PTO shaft when you're hooking implements up. Makes it nice and easy on both of them. If you want to just operate the mid-mount mower like we've got equipped here, you put it in 2000 and you go through the cycle there to engage your PTO and get to cutting. What else is new? Well, we got a new steering column. We have tilt steering. Pull this out and you can adjust that. You actually take it down, raise it up, and the steering will tilt now. Got tilt steering on a subcompact tractor. When you want to lock it, you just pull it down and lock it. Very familiar, the light gauge package, our turn signals, our lights, and our hazard light. But we've also got a new dash panel. New aggressive styling in our dash. Look at that. That looks very modernistic there. And a new dash cluster. Fuel, tack, hours, and you've got your coolant temperature there. You have the parking brake here. The new hood, we used to have a latch here. The first generation you had to pull it up, next one we had a latch. Now we've got a button here. Pops the hood, opens it up, and that holds the hood forward. You got your restraint there. One of the new features is this new baffle plate here. With this tractor, your cool engine air is going to flow in through the screen down here. You actually do have a new knob right here that you can take this screen out if it gets dirty. It's got hooks on the side here that you just pull up and pull it out. So you can clean that screen real nice and easy. New side panels, new baffle plate. What's neat? Why am I so excited about this baffle plate? Watch how much easier. Pull that up and you can clean the screen out. Much simpler and easier than the previous GC series. This is your air cleaner hose. It's going to pull clean air from up above for your air cleaner. Got our Izeki built engine. This tractor is actually built by Izeki. The transmission, the engine, the hydrostat, the whole tractor is assembled and built by Izeki Corporation of Japan. What's that mean? Everything's engineered together. And then Massey gets to do its super touches and build the features the way they want, the aesthetics, the styling, and that stuff. Been a great partnership, great reliable product. Engine oil filters right down here, just to take a look at the engine there. There's your radiator cooling fan, coolant overflow. Slip around to this side. Batteries right up here, fuses, relays are all right here. There's your coolant overflow. Look at the alternator. Starter's right here. Here's your engine oil check. Right here is your dipstick. But that's the 3-cylinder 23 horsepower from Massey Ferguson. It's the new GC series. Got some exciting new features that's going to make life easier. One of the things you'll notice that this one doesn't feature joystick hydraulics. This one is basically set up as a mower configuration with a 3-point. Joystick lever would go here. So this is an option to buy. If you don't need a loader or ever have a plan for a loader, you can buy a GC series without the loader hydraulics to save you some money. This GC1723E we fitted with the 60-inch drive over. This has your drive over humps here to drive over the deck. There's 3 mowers that are available from Massey Ferguson. This is a 60-inch, and you can see how it cleans out the tire tracks there. They make the 2326, which is 60-inch side discharge drive over deck. We also make a 54-inch mulching deck, and a 54-inch slide under side discharge deck. Now what's better than looking at a Massey Ferguson? Driving one. Actually, the best part is owning one. Put your key in, go to preheat position right here. You can see right down here. And it'll activate a yellow light up there on the dash. Got a new dash cluster where there was some more warning lights. Got the tilt steering. Got your tilt steering now. You can tilt it wherever you want, lock it down. Hand throttle. Raise the deck. Tap the park brake off. Put it in range. And you're driving a new Massey Ferguson GC1723E series. Now all you got to do, you don't have to push any pedals to go from high range to low range. There's low range, go forward, reverse, go high range. Go reverse. Go down here. To activate the PTO, we're going to make sure this is in 2000. We're in gear. We'll turn up the throttle, we got it up there about 1500. Slide this forward. And your mower's going. Take it on up to PTO speed, where you'll need to run it. And you can lower the deck. In forward and reverse. To shut the PTO down, I like to bring the RPMs down so you don't, and then you just pull this lever and that shuts it off. Come over here to your raise lever and raise it up. That's the new GC series from Massey Ferguson. Pretty awesome tractor, nice new styling, nice new tractor. What do you think of the nice new Massey Ferguson GC1723E series tractor? This is going to be an awesome addition. We're excited about selling it here at Vahrenberg Implement. If you're in West Central Missouri, come visit us at Vahrenberg Implement. We're right here at the corner of Missouri 13 Highway and Business 13 that goes downtown Higginsville. We've got a wide array of tractors. We got GC series, we got the E series, we got the 1700 premium compact. We got lots of implements from Rhino Ag to help your needs, and we've even got big tractors. We got everything up right now to the 2700Es all the way up through the Global series and the large mid-range tractors. We're your Massey Ferguson dealer here in West Central Missouri, and we're happy to help you learn more about getting the most out of your tractor purchasing dollars. There's more to buying a tractor than price alone. Come visit us at Vahrenberg Implement. We're a full service dealer that's here to care and help you take care of your needs. Thank you for tuning in to another Vahrenberg Implement product informational series video. Come visit us at Vahrenberg Implement or visit us online at vahrenberg.com. or if you're outside of our trade area, visit Massey Ferguson website and find your dealer, your local dealer, and they'll be happy to take care of your needs. Get a better tractor, get a better cut, get a better value. Buy a Massey Ferguson. Do more, get more has always been our slogan here at Vahrenberg Implement. Come check out the Massey Ferguson GC E series and the M series coming soon. We've got tractors with loaders, tractors with backhoes. We're going to have several videos coming as we get them from Massey Ferguson. We're excited. We have a few carryovers in stock of the GC1715 and the GC1720 that you can save a little bit of money on right now and still get an awesome tractor. This is the new generation. Thank you, and come visit us at Vahrenberg Implement.